Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to make images move in CapCut, adding movements to images, easy CapCut tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just go ahead and open first the desktop app of your CapCut onto your device. So once you're already in here, the first thing that we need to do is to import the clip or the photo that we want to use. So since this one is a video that I have imported already, let's add in a photo in here that we could use. So there are two options that you could do. Click onto import to browse onto your different files, or just head onto the folder of the image that you want to use and then drag and drop it in here just like that. So once it is already added, you should go ahead and see it like this and click onto the plus icon in here to add a track onto your timeline. So for the first movement that we want to try out in here is we want to go ahead and have this photo zoom in. So we want to zoom this in. Let's change the ratio first here to its original one. So just like this. So we're going to click onto the image in here just like that. And we're going to go ahead and make some movement or adjustments here onto basic transform. So we're going to go ahead and click onto this diamond icon in here to add a keyframe and to zoom this in to add the movement. For that, we're going to pan or move this one here onto the part where we want to apply the zoom effect. So for example, onto this part, we want to go ahead and make this one big. So we're going to go ahead and click onto the diamond icon again in here, this one to add a keyframe, and this time we're going to make the scale bigger in here to go ahead and zoom in just like that. So we could also choose onto which part we want to zoom in just like that, and it should go ahead and look something like this. If you play this, as you can see, it created a movement in here to zoom in the photo. Now, what we want to try to do next in here to add in a movement is, for example, I want to go ahead and move this photo in here, starting here, and then we want to add this here onto the bottom right of it. So we're going to go ahead and do the same thing for this. So we're going to remove this first so that we won't be confused with the keyframes that we have added earlier. And once you have added this back again in here, so instead of scale, since we want to go ahead and have the movement of the photo, so we're going to position this one first here. So the adjustment will be done here under position. So we have added a keyframe here under scale earlier. Just make sure to add the scale right now onto position. So add a keyframe first for that. And since we want to go ahead and have this one here on the bottom right of the screen, so we'll hover around here. Let's add the clip also there. Let's add a keyframe first on position. And then let's move this here. Then onto the last part, I want to add that one here onto the bottom left. So we're going to add a keyframe as well here. And let's add this here onto the bottom left. Now, right after we have made these adjustments, this is how the image should look like. So as you can see, the image is moving already. So let's play it back again. And that is just how to make images move in CapCut, adding movement to images. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.